We take for granted people na buhay pa. Sana po, I always say this, wala tayong pagsisisi in the end na nagkulang tayo ng pagmamahal. That we did not love enough. That's the biggest regret. I could have loved more. I could have given more. I could have been more humble, more understanding. Kaya, akbayan mo nga yung katabi mo ngayon. Kung mawawala ka sa piling ko, sinta, paano ang Pasko? Alay ko sa'yo. Sabi mo sa katabi mo, huwag kang